I'm Dr. Julia Souvorova, and I am a podiatrist here in Chula Vista, California, where I've been practicing in diabetic limb salvage and wound care for over 10 years. Prior to working with Boring Digital, I was not showing up consistently in my local search engines, despite having a stellar reputation with my current patient population. I know that patients were looking for podiatry services in my community. However, patients were not walking in through my doors. And that has all changed when I started working with Boring Digital. Boring felt different than any other company that I approached because they use the same approach as I do with my patients. It's very simple, easy to understand, and structured. Marketing and digital advertising is a very complicated process and not something that I will ever understand. However, Boring Digital was able to break it down for me in words and a clear plan that I am able to understand and utilize to make my business successful. Once the technical work was implemented, we started to see movement quite quickly. My Google business profile became much more visible. My rankings improved across important podiatry-related searches, and I started appearing far more consistently in the local map pack. Until I started working with Boring Digital, I had very minimal self-referred patients, and now I'm starting to see more and more patients come in through my doors that are self-referred, who are paying cash, as well as PPO insurances who are reimbursing really well as compared to majority of the Medi-Cal patients that I see now. And every time I asked my self-referred patients, how do they find me? The answer is always, oh, it's because you ranked really well, or you had really good reviews, or it's because you were the first one that popped up after searching for a podiatrist in my area, or orthotics, or wound care, which is so wonderful to hear because those words were never heard when I used to ask my patients before. I want to say a huge thank you to the whole team at Boring Digital. You guys have made such a huge difference. Great work, team.